On a good morning, my country people. Now, African Megaskia, they talk to you this morning for Egbuluka TV. And my talk today now still to our youths, our Nigerian youths, our able youths of this great nation called Nigeria. I beg, I want advice on now. Make una no depend on politicians. The way our people for River State, they depend on politicians. Because if you go River State, you go see graduates, some of them get master's degree, some they do their doctorate degree now, but they live their life solely on what comes out of politicians' pocket, peanuts. You go see them, they go just give them essay on media, then go just cage them for one corner, they waste their time. They go promise them say when they finish, they go give them counselor or then go carry them go House of Assembly. Like say na settlement. Like say nobody people go vote again. They do it like settlement. They claim say they be godfathers. Nigerian youth, I beg, if we continue like this, these people no go develop this country. You know why? As in don't put in God's son there, now him go dey control. They go be like say in na tax collector. They go dey share the money wey they supposed to use for development. Even if he don't come out for power, they go carry his own share, go give him for wherever in dey. And now what did happen for this country? Nigerian youths are beg, you see, no they depend on these politicians. They no plan good for us. That phone where dey your hand, that smartphone where you hold for hand, so it's a money-making machine, and it can turn you to a multi-millionaire if you know what to do with it. No be Yahoo at the talk, oh. No go do Yahoo, no go do Yahoo, no go do Yahoo. But that phone can turn you to a multi-millionaire. You can call me and ask me why. And I will tell how. And I will tell you how to turn to a multi-millionaire with your smartphone. Don't depend on politicians. There are so many ways you can make money. Don't depend on them. Go get your PVC. Let us vote out all these bad politicians out of our country. Let us put people that have this country at heart. The development of this country at heart. Look at underdevelopment everywhere in this country. Go to Enugu State and see. In their communities, various communities, go to all the states in this country. Go to various communities, not the state capital. Because they will deceive you with developing the state capital. Go to the communities. Some communities don't have light. Some communities don't have water. They drink from the stream. I've gone around. I've moved to several communities, and what I saw, man, see, we don't need to support these our politicians. Our youth, go and get your PVC. And Nigerians, please, I want to encourage you, keep reporting on that development. Keep sending those mails. Keep sending those mails, because those mails are the information we need. So that when we are writing to National Assembly, when we are writing petition to National Assembly, we will prove to them that they are not working. And when they go there, they will see that they are not working. They are just collecting constituency development allowance for nothing. They are just using it to enrich themselves. Please keep sending your mails to egbulukatv@gmail.com. Thank you very much.